This is very, very important, and to solve questions directly, no need to like remember all the concepts. This will be very easy. Some cases. This is K dielectric, okay? K1, K2. And here, D is the distance between them. This is capacitor actually, okay? Like this. I drew vertical. I drawn this vertical. So this is equals to C1, C2, two capacitors. So C1 equals to K1 A epsilon naught D by 2, K2 A epsilon naught D by 2. So this equivalent will be 1 by C equivalent, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. I'm not deriving here, I'm just directly writing. In exam, you can directly use this formula if there is dielectric like this and they ask equivalent capacitors, directly solve this way. Find out C1, C2. And here, D is equals to D by 2 plus D by 2 because there are half and half here. And half D here, half D here. That's why D by 2, D by 2. And A is the area, full area or area of each plate. Second, if dielectric kept this way, K1, K2 plus minus distance apart. Which is equals to this is C1, C2 and C1 equals to K1 A by 2 epsilon naught divided by D. Here D is not dividing, here area is dividing. So C2 equals to K2 A by 2 epsilon naught D. C equivalent equals to, they are in parallel, so C1 plus C2.
Sir,
Yes,
in this case, why did we take the area as half, sir?
because here area is divided into two. Sorry. In first case, D was divided. See, there was capacitor here, plate, first plate, the second plate, capacitor is here, and area, sorry, D is divided into 1 and 2. In this case, because dielectric is in between that, so that will make one capacitor, and second one K2 will make one more capacitor. And in this case, it is they have kept this way, area wise. This was thickness wise, distance wise. This was this area wise. So area 1, the thickness is same. Area 1 and area 2 means total area is A. Half area for this capacitor, half area for this capacitor. So we have
Yes, sir.
divided this total area in two halves.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Next. But generally dielectric questions will be less, but still we need to be sure for everything. We need to prepare for everything. Okay. Now I'll draw here. You show me a equivalent diagram. Okay, I'll draw here. I'll give a name, K1, K2, K3. Distance D plus minus. Now show me equivalent diagram. How many capacitors here on this side and how many capacitors on left side, left side and right side? Tell me. Yes, anyone? How many capacitors on left and how many capacitors on right? Quick. What shall I call by name? And if
So left side 1 and right side 2?
Yes, of course. Left side 1 and right side 2. Let's name it as C1, C2, C3. C1 value. Yes, Divya, try. What will be C1? See, it is divided into area, right? Half area.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, is it A1, K1 by A by 2 E naught D? K by A by 2 only.
Epsilon naught
Epsilon naught A, D.
D. And what about C2? Yeah, try.
So A by 4 and A by 4.
Now go back the first one. What was we dividing?
D by 2,
D
sorry.
by
D by
2.
2.
So it is not just D by 2. but it is half area and half D. K2, this is first half, this 2 has second half. So A by 2 epsilon naught D by 2. And third one, K3, A by 2 epsilon naught D by 2.
So can't you directly write it as A by 4, sir?
But here we have C1 and C2, right? C1 is with K1. C3 has K3 because we have three different dielectric actually. If their values are same in question, then we can make it combine and do whatever it is.
Yes, sir.
Here our condition is they have three dielectric, 1, 2, and 3. So we are using three different. So now what case left? We tried this to separate, this to separate, this way to separate, other way. Let's separate this direction. K3, K1, distance D plus minus. Come on, try for this one. Show me equivalent diagram.
So it will be like top it is one capacitor and down it will be two, sir.
In the sense here, left side, right side,
No, sir, top and bottom.
top and bottom here. Okay. So you mean this one here?
So can we just
What?
Sir.
Can we just what?
the diagram, sir, like in a hexagon shape, regular hexagon shape?
Yeah, you can draw hexagon. It's not necessary. I am drawing just simply. I like hexagon, that's why. You can just draw like this also. You can draw like this, keep one capacitor here. It's your wish. I like hexagon, so I'm drawing hexagon.
So is it correct, sir?
Okay, yeah, sorry. We were in question, yeah. And what about this side? In this hexagon, how many capacitors?
Top it will be one, sir, and at the bottom it will be two.
Bottom in the sense here? Here.
Yes, sir, I guess.
Then what about this hexagon not required? Shall I erase it?
Sir, can I turn on my camera and show how I do it?
Yeah, sure. Let us see. So, can you fix on camera? We cannot see here. Okay.
So is it visible now?
Yeah, C1 and 2 that side. Okay. It is, that means it's similar to our first one, or previous one.
No, sir.
See, check.
Like down one, I did the two parts. Sir. I reversed it and did.
It is similar to that. See, what did you show? Oh, 1 second.
It was similar to the above one, sir.
Yes. You showed this one, but it's similar to the previous one. See?
She showed it in a horizontal way, sir.
Huh. See, this, I'll tell you one thing here. This hole will give you one capacitor. This hole will give you one capacitor, and this hole will give you one capacitor. This is your connection. So these two shows these are in parallel combination. Parallel combination with one series combination. Same way, what was third one? See, these two are in series combination and parallel combination. These two parallel combination. These two series combination. So by this, what we are concluding, this is your series combination, this is your parallel combination. So now give a try. Try again. करो बच्चों, ट्राई करो फिर से. This is not correct, and Divya, you are also not correct. Try again.
Is it like in the corners, sir?
Okay, corner in the sense. Shall I give you remote control? You will draw and show us.
No, sir.
Or you gave up? You all gave up, or you're trying? Yes, anyone else want to try? Or say, I give up, I cannot try more. See, I can't wait. Come on, come on.
They're not getting, sir.
You give up. Okay. Yes, others? Jafar, what do you think? Pavan? Pravalika? What about you?
Sir, I drew something. Can I show it, sir?
Sure. So, अरे बच्चा, it is similar na. Just now Adisha showed same.
Okay, sir. Then I give up, sir.
You're giving up too
Sir.
early. Yeah.
Sir, I
Yes.
got one. Should I show it, sir?
Yeah, sure. Come on. Hmm. Are super, very good. Correct. Very good. Give me high five, virtual high five. Pravalika, are you there with us? No? Okay. See, first one, when we are coming from here, we are getting one capacitor. Then we are getting one capacitor in combination, which are like this. Now this one and this, we are proving both, right? Series and parallel. This is in series with parallel. Oh. Yes? Everyone? Adesha, Divya, Jafar, Pravalika, Sai,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
clear? How we started? C1, C2, C3. Now, I want value of C1. Come on. I will ask first one Adesha. Then next one I'll ask someone else. Come on. C1. Quick, quick.
So C1 is equals to K1A epsilon naught by D by 2.
A1A epsilon naught by D by 2. Perfect. C2 Divya. Divya, C2.
So C2 is equal to K2 A by 2 epsilon naught by D, sir.
A by 2 epsilon naught.
By D, sir.
Are you sure? Because C1 is already given D by 2. So remaining is D by 2 here.
Yeah, D by 2.
Yeah. Third one, Pawan.
Sir, K3 epsilon naught A by 2 by D by 2.
Yes, perfect. Jafar, are you there with us? No? Yes? What about Pravalika? Okay. You got it right? Okay. Good. Pravalika? Okay. And Sai Charan? What about you?
Sir,
Are you facing some internet issue?
yes, sir.
Connectivity issue? You're joining this, disconnecting. So have you made a note of all this?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. C3, K3, epsilon naught, A by 2 by D by 2. Okay, so, oh yeah, I forgot to solve this. You know how to solve this, right? Oh, second one solve, right? Third one, how to solve? C equivalent equals to C1 plus C2 C3 by C2 plus C3. I'm doing just direct solution. But you can solve it properly, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 and blah, 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 blah. For fourth, 1 by C equivalent, they are in series. So 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus C3. Okay. Now, next 3, 4, what we are going to write, especially they are asking from that. No, they are asking from this one sometimes. But this, the next one will be fixed. I think it's a 5th number, no? 4th. Okay. If we have capacitors like this is equivalent to this is plus, this is minus, then again this is plus, this is minus. So we have like this, how many lines? First line, second line, third line, fourth line. Now, this all are same values actually. Okay, this shows same values. So how it will be? See this carefully. I'll change color and write so that it will be not confusing. How many are there? 1, 2, and 3 connection. See, 1 connection, 2 connection, and 3 connection. Now this all are C, C, C. So this was first plate connected with second plate. This is third plate connected with second plate. And this is third plate connected with fourth plate. Are you able to understand what I'm doing here? Now C equivalent is easy. C plus C plus C, which is 3 times of C. Guys, are you able to understand? Or shall I make it bigger? Or shall I make a bigger diagram?
Understood, sir.
This is clear, this diagram?
Yes, sir.
If you want me to zoom it. Perfectly clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Next, go for second shape. Number 6. Did I miss any number here? A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. Okay. No, still bigger. Okay, wait. Now you keep trying. I'll draw here and check, are you getting the same? First for sine. There are different uses of this all capacitors. You might be thinking why we are doing this all capacitors different shapes. There is some purpose of using that capacitors, then only they are making it. Otherwise, why they will waste time and money? So simplified version will be, can someone try? How many capacitors will be there at least? Tell me. How many capacitors?
4, sir.
4, 3. Okay, I'm getting 3, 4,
2, sir.
2. Okay. Anyone has one answer? Because I got 3, 4, 2. Nobody gave one. Sai Charan, what is your opinion? What's your answer? How many capacitors
2,
should be
sir.
there? 2.
2.
Okay. Okay, can you give some reason why you are saying 2? Sai? Is there a specific reason, or you just thought of this by seeing this diagram? Okay, let it be 2.
By seeing, I said, sir.
Okay. Adesha, you said 3, right?
2, sir.
2. Acha. Then Jafar gave how many? 8. Okay, he get 3. I'm waiting for Pravalika's answer. Okay, it should be 2
Sir,
only.
2.
Who gave this? Pravalika said answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, it should be 2. See here, why we gave 3? Because there was one connection in between, plus minus here. Again, one more plus minus, again, one more plus minus. But here, one connection done, another connection. There is no other remaining in between. It was like this connected here, then this 2 connected here, and this 2 connected here. So, I'm sorry, let's draw 2. Okay, so give me numbers. This side will be 1 or 2. 1 or 2.
1, sir.
1. And on right side, 2. And this one,
Left side 4, sir. Right side.
yes, perfect. Left side 4, right side 3. So C equivalent equals to C plus C, which is equals to 2C. And how I gave this number, see, they are connected that way. 1 and 4 are connected. So 1 and 4 are here connected. Last one, a bit complicated. It is overlapping. This is here plus A, B minus. So which is equivalent to this is joined, okay, whatever, doesn't matter. A, B, minus, 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 because it is plus, 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 plus. Now this side also plus, plus is plus, then this will be minus, 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 minus. This minus, this is plus, 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 plus. This is first plate, second plate, third plate, fourth plate. No, this one is little bit different. I'll draw this. This will give you 1 and 2 will be here. Wait, no, no. One is connected to 4. So 1 and 4 and 4 is connected to 3. So 1 and 4, 3, and 1 is connected to 2. And 2 is connected to 3 and 3 is connected to 4. Okay. So 2 and 3. A plus B minus. Did I miss any number? Check. 1 is connected to 4, yes. 4 and 3 are capacitor. 3 is also connected to 2. That is 2 and 2 are capacitor. 2 and 1 are capacitor. Okay, done. And 1 and 4 are connection. Fine. See, main things here, 1 and 4 is a connection. That's why we have these two in series and parallel with this one. Any doubt in this question? Oh, sorry, 7th diagram. Not the question, a formula. No doubt? Everyone? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jafar, Pavan, Pravalika, Sai,
Gotcha.
got it? Then tell me formula. Common formula, come on. Anyone? Try the formula. Combined form. One by C equivalent equals to C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C. Which will give you 1, 2, 3. Two. So 2 plus 2C by plus C means 3C by 2. C equivalent.
Sir, can you show the previous ones, formula ones?
Yeah. Done this writing, shall I scroll up? This one or a fifth one?
This one only, sir.
Okay.
Finish, sir.
Sir, can you show the last one?
Sure.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, this will be also useful. So these are formulas what I gave today. write in that note which I asked you to make small notebook. Okay. Because after this, nothing, just substitute values. Nothing big in this question. So capacitor, series, parallel, nothing in this one. If we remember formula, just substitute values, that's it, done. Main thing, main question, like in question, main thing is that how understanding diagrams. If you understand diagram, how it is, how to resolve, how to start, finish. That's it. Just substitute values and finalize the answer. No, this is actually what I'm doing. What I'm doing here, it is for like some specific diagrams. Okay, not like standard diagrams. Standard diagram we can solve normally, which is some question which is easier to solve, more easier way to solve. Some like typical questions. So first method by successive okay. So especially I write a note. Box this note so that it will be highlight for you. Like whenever you turn a page, you can it will highlight. Okay, this is the method. I'll draw example diagram. See, these are how we are solving normally. That's what we are going to write here. These are 2 microfarad all. Did I miss any number? Let me check here. Okay. It's normal only. What is there in this one? Why they're showing here? Okay, this is just standard values only, nothing big here. Simply they have made 2 and 2 here, it will be 4. This will be 1, 1 plus 2, 3. This will be here 3. And this will be 4 and 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. If we solve it, if it's all are 2, so what you'll get here? It's all are 2 microfarad. Simply they are giving. Making series, right? This is series. Combination should be 1, and the parallel means it will give you 3 microfarad. This will 2, means 4 microfarad. 4 and this 2. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Three by 4 means 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3 and 3. What is there? Simple. Nothing. It's not that important. Let it be. Okay. So I'll directly solve here. I'll write the values. You know, right? How to solve? You check it. Check your answer with me. I'm getting here 3 microfarad. This is 4 by 3 microfarad. And this is 2 microfarad. And B. And this is A. Now simplify this. 4 by 3 plus 3. 9, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 by 3. 13 by 3 and 2. So it will be 26 by 19 microfarad. C equivalent. This will be 13 by 3 microfarad. So are we getting same? I just did orally check. Is it 26 by 19 or some other values? 2 by 1 by 3, 26. Yes, I guess so, correct. What is your answer? Check. Everyone? Anybody finished? Adisha, Divya, Jafar, Pavan, Pravalika, Sai.
Doing so.
Sure. These are not the values, okay? All are 2 microfarad. Anybody finished? Jafar, did you finish? Two 13. Yeah, correct only. Yes. Anybody got answer? Adisha, Divya, Jafar,
So I'm getting same, sir.
same.
Even
Pawan,
me.
Sir, I got the same answer.
same. Okay. Ravalika, did you solve? Sai,
Yes, sir.
same. Okay. And Jafar, what about you? I'm waiting for your answer, Jafar. Okay, so you got same answer? Okay. Okay, guys, then see you tomorrow. See, tomorrow, what's the plan? Like, we'll solve some questions, exam questions, then we'll start new topic.